Hi, I'm James from J Technology, and today we will be showing you how to replace an LCD screen on a Dell Latitude E6400. Before working on any laptop, you want to make sure that the power is disconnected and the battery is removed. Next, you want to remove the plastic bezel by inserting your fingers slowly in and pulling the bezel away from the screen. Next, you want to remove the 4 screws holding the LCD in place. Next, you want to pull away the LCD screen. Slowly lay it down. Be careful of the wires that are connected to it. Here you have the LCD ribbon cable, which you want to gently remove from the connector. Next, you want to remove the 4 screws, 2 on each side, to remove the bracket. Now we want to install the new LCD, which we have here. Just put the brackets on first. Make sure the holes match up. Now we're going to reconnect the LCD ribbon cable to the connector. Now we're going to apply the mounting screws to the frame. Be careful not to scratch the screen with the screwdriver. Make sure the screws are tight, but do not over-tighten them. Now we want to remove the screen protector. Now we want to replace the bezel back onto the laptop, slowly pressing the edges. You can hear it snap. So let's install the battery back into the laptop. And connect the power. And turn the laptop back on. Well, I hope you enjoyed our tutorial video. For more tutorials and product reviews, please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel. I'm James from J Technology. Thanks for watching.